Matthew ba? Matthew, you think you can play or no? Don't force it? Okay.
Nilimit ko lang yung minutes pero ano
Kung pilitin. Pag hindi niya kaya. Nice, Ira. Oy, coach. Good game, good game. Paul agad. Wag reach in. Rick, sabihan mo siya natin, wag susundot. Harang lang katawan. Good game, Sep. Good game. Nice, Ivan. Rick! Nasa akin. Wala si Kobe, ibang magaling. Too much. Si Iowa nakalubog masyado. Nakalubog siya masyado eh. That backs out. Pupunta agad sa bola. Remind mo. Huwag mo nang tumalon sa bola. Backs out muna. Yun. There you go. Oh. White ball. Very technical siya. Jaden Hook. Ira, don't reach in, huh? Go to him. Stay too long on your hands, Jaden. Get ready to double team the big. Ivan, help. Ivan, behind you. Ivan, help Ira. Help Ira. Get ready, you're closer. Uy, kapapito. Dalawa na si Ira eh. Masyadong gigil. Jaden straight. Jaden straight.
Kanya lang yung score. Sa kanya lang yung score. 8.
Jaden. Jaden. Mismatch. Nice shot. Rick, sabihin mo, hanapin yung mismatch. Pag malit yung bantay ng isa, bigay. Travel. Kick. No, siya yung nakasipa. 24 yung nakasipa. Ref. 24 yung nakasipa. Ay. Good call. Rep, yung kicking mali i-correct nyo. Screen. Mismatch, kaya yan. Iron, give it, quick! Ay. Unforced turnover. Too skeptical. Marcus, just go. Don't think too much. Attack, shoot or drive. You're thinking to pass. Marcus, help! Ay, Marcus, that's yours. Marcus, switch weak side. Ay. Sayang ang minuto mo. Useless foul. Sayang ang minuto kung gagraduate siya, ito yung babad siya no? Rebound. No, don't reach it. Guard. Ay. No reaching, help. Go, Jaden, go. Clear path. What the heck? Open layup. Nice, Ira. Kumakan ba? Lead pa rin. Nice shot. Box out! No box out. Too much passing! Pre, ang focus natin, defense. Masyado tayo nagpo-focus sa offense. Samayin mo sila. Our defense is so lame. Ay, too much passing. Body contact yun, ref. Diop! Gosh. Jaden, he goes to the left the whole time. Pushing ref from behind. Naku, patay na naman si Ira. Nice, Ivan. And one.
Nice ball.
Energy and defense, boys. Mas may skill tayo eh. Now, Diop, no reaching in. Just guard. Jaden. So much reaching. Ref. Dami na. Jaden, don't go down quickly. Help him.
Over quick.
Now Diop. Turn around, turn. Don't let him set up.
Oh, one ball.
No reaching. Ay. Whose man is that? Jaden, that's yours. Don't look at the ball handler. Go, Nathan. Naku po. Nice one, Ira. Hey, talk on defense. Naku. Nathan. Save your pass, Nathan. Si Jaden. Ilan siya? Hindi si Nathan, ha? Okay. Help! There you go. Hands up!
Dalawa.
Jaden, get the ball first.
Backside.
Sino?
Walang pangsab eh.
Sige, injury timeout. Meron kayo,
Ito.
anak?
Pasok ka na agad.
Anong dugo?
Go focus.
Play. Jaden. Take charge. Nathan and Jaden, take charge. That's it, Marcos. Hey guys, talk on defense. The left. Pwede pa, pre, isa. Help! Traveling. Ira, see? Pre, tamo nung lumayo si Ira, nawalan siya ng sasandalan, na traveling siya. Kasi hindi niya kailangan idikit yung katawan niya eh. We should be driving instead of shooting. Labang tayo sa skills eh. Jaden! Get the ball, Jaden. Come on. What the heck? What shot is that? Wake up, Jalen! Wake up! Bangon din! Screen! Take it! Rebounds! Rebounds! That's it! Water break. Go, Nathan! Okay, yan. We need those fouls. Konti lang ang player sila eh. Dapat tayong lumulusog sa kanila eh. Get those fouls. Marcus, quick water, then you'll be back in, okay? Because only 6 of you. Ilang foul si Marcus? Ilan si Marcus na foul? Come on, Marcus, you don't have fouls. You're not in foul trouble. Jaden, shoot na! Ivan was going for the rebound. You gotta shoot that.
Approach, closer. Close.
Help him! 3 seconds. Pass. Jaden, help! Oh my God. Traveling. Matthew, corner. Para yung paa niya pre, baka ano. Yan. High screen. High screen, Ira. What the heck? Oh, nice one, Nathan. Nice, Ira. Eight seconds. 7. What the heck? 5. Nice, Ira. Traveling. Guard. Quick. Bring down quick. Get out of there, Matthew. Go. Nice, Ivan. Eleven seconds. What the heck? Two, one, shoot it! Jaden, move! Foul. Nice one, Nathan. Rick, idos mo si Nathan para maka-atake si Nathan ngayon. Jaden, slide! Ay, hindi nakita si Jaden. Ay, hindi gumagalaw. Nice one, Nathan. Go, Marcus! Nice and one. Go, Marcus! Panira na yun, Marcus. Kaya ba ni Matthew? Sakali? Hindi ano, wag.
Barely.
Go. Now help! He's dribbling! Don't just watch him dribble! Oh my gosh, oh, there you go. Give it, give it, give it, give it! Oh. Nagamit na yung timeout. Nathan, 3 more minutes. Good. Nathan, let's go. Good job, Jayden. 6 sa 6. Rebound, fast break. Nice pass. Ooh. Now, D up, the left. Just the left. Help, help, help. There you go. Oh, there you go, Marcus. You see? Marcus, much better.
Shooting, shooting, shooting. Shooting, shooting.
Penalty. Parang ano lang ano, taurangan. Pressure pack, overtime, 2 shots.
Buti na lang, si Maroni, hindi nagmana sa trapo yun.
Oh? Di up, yung guard lang, pre, yung guard lang, yung guard. Nathan, Nathan! Hey, Marcus, that's it. There you go. You know. Don't let them set up, pre. Talo tayo sa ano, half court eh. Mas malalaki sila eh. Haba pa yan.
Hindi yung player dati, no?
Go, Nathan. Two. Sobra sa pasahan. Naku, wala na. There goes our There goes our lead. Easy, easy, easy. There you go. D up, hey! D up! Jaden! Easy, easy, easy. Set it up, Jaden, set it up, set it up. Pass, pass. 7, 6. Lalim. Nice, Marcus. D up. See? There you go. Hey, rebound, step first. Nice, Marcus. Huli. Sirap talaga, oh. Easy, Jaden, easy. Oh. Jaden, don't shoot it, Jaden. Play smart. Take time. Don't shoot yet. Move the ball. Set it up. There you go, Ira. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5. Nice, Ira. There you go. No foul, no foul. Hey, just hold the ball, cross it. Jaden, cross it, cross! 8 seconds. There you go, hold the ball.
Shoot, don't shoot.
Don't shoot now, don't shoot.
Ka, 4 minutes ko lang.